Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's AI old photo restoration tool. Log in with your account first. You can upload your local photo or try our samples first. It's easy to change the photo. Click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get a new photo. Also, you can enable the suitable option to colorize this photo or enhance its resolution. Once finished, click the Compare button. Drag the arrow icon and check the difference. Click Compare again to exit the status. Drag the slider to zoom in/out on the canvas, click the Move icon, and you can check the details of this photo. Finally, you can download this photo directly or convert it to a video with AI. In the History tab, you can download and delete multiple photos at once, or use them to edit a video on the editing page. Click on a photo to check its details, compare the difference, share it on Facebook and Twitter, or send it to others with a link. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.